IFMA is proud to honor Maggiano's with the 2014 COEX Innovation Award for Culinary and Operations for a Regional Chain. The Culinary and Operations Innovation Award is presented to companies that demonstrate true innovation in one or more back-of-house areas, such as food preparation, new menu item launches, reaction to consumer insights, and operational systems improvements. Maggiano's Little Italy dared to ask, what if customers had the opportunity to be rewarded every single time they visit our restaurant? And so was born On the House Pastas. Anytime a guest orders a classic pasta, they're given another classic pasta to take home with them absolutely free. This isn't a one-time offer or an LTO, it's a permanent fixture to reward the generosity of customers with an act of generosity of Maggiano's own. To date, they've given away more than 6 million classic pastas. In addition to guest loyalty, their well-being is also a focus at Maggiano's. The lighter take menu delivers offerings with 1/3 fewer calories, but still have the familiar bold flavors and generosity customers have come to expect when dining at Maggiano's. Collaboration is also a key driver in what makes Maggiano's unique. Collaboration with supply chain, buyers, manufacturers, and chefs will help them innovate their way forward and to the forefront of the family-style dining segment. Congratulations, Maggiano's, on your 2014 COEX Innovation Award for Culinary and Operations for a Regional Chain.